In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sub-menu in Wix. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Wix, you'll be able to follow along and organize your site's navigation like a pro. First, start by logging into your Wix account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the section that helps you set up and manage your site. Make sure you're in the setup area where you can access all the key tools for editing and managing your website. Now, shift your attention to the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see a button labeled Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open a new page or tab taking you directly into the Wix editor for your website. Give it a moment to load. This is where you'll make all your visual and structural changes. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand panel. This is your main toolbox for editing pages, adding elements, and managing your site's layout. Find the option called Pages and Menu and click on it. This will open a panel that shows all the pages and menu items connected to your site's navigation. Within this panel, make sure you're on the Site Menu tab. This is important because the Site Menu tab displays the actual navigation menu your visitors will see rather than just a list of pages. Here, you'll see all your current menu items in order. Now it's time to create your sub-menu. Find the menu item that you want to turn into a sub-menu item. This will be the page or section that should appear underneath another main menu item. Click and hold on that menu item, then drag it slightly to the right and drop it directly underneath the main menu item you want it to belong to. When you release it, Wix will automatically nest it as a sub-item. You'll notice the sub-menu item is now indented under the main menu item, indicating that it's part of a drop-down. If you want multiple sub-menu items, just repeat this drag and drop process with any additional pages you want grouped under the same main menu heading. Once you're happy with the structure, you're done. Your navigation now includes a clear sub-menu, making it easier for visitors to find what they're looking for and keeping your site layout clean and organized.